Nearly a month has passed since a Coast Guard Dornier aircraft went missing with a crew of 3 off Chennai. But there are still no signs of either the aircraft or the crew members. The families of the crew members had even tweeted to the Prime Minister for help, but the search has yielded nothing so far. India Today has spoken to the mother of co-pilot Subhash Suresh. Padma Shankari told India Today that neither has the Prime Minister nor the Defence Ministry responded yet to their requests. She said it's high time the Prime Minister must intervene and seek international help for the search.
I'm now joined by Padma Shankari, mother of Subhash Suresh, the co-pilot of the missing Dornier aircraft. Ma'am, it's been close to a month and even the ships, helicopters, submarines or even the underwater vessel has failed to trace the Dornier. How is the family coping up with this kind of situation right now?
We are going minus, ma'am. We are going minus. They are not helping out. We are asked for international support. Even PM is not giving importance to our things. He never respond for our things. The people we have taken as granted. That's what only word I can tell. There is nothing to lose for us. I don't know what Minister of Defence or Prime Minister is going to do in this, because only 2 more or 3 days is left for us. They have to get international support. I think they are going on egoistic things only. I can feel it now.
Right. Ma'am, as you were pointing out that, you have only a few days left and you did tweet the Prime Minister. You did write to him. In fact, you showed us the response. But did he really respond to you, or was there anybody they got in touch with you regarding?
No, none of them have responded to us, our questions. I faxed to Minister of Defence, Mr. Krishnamurthy, PA of Defence Minister. I spoke to him personally. I said some details to him. He said he asked me to fax it. I faxed him. I never got any response for that. I wrote mail to Mr. Narendra Modi. Even from him, I never got any answer for him. I don't know whether they'll get our son back again, dead or alive. I don't think so that they'll give back my son alive. That's what I felt now.
But you also went to a couple of other lakes.
We paid and we went personally. They never took us. They assisted us only, that's all. One guy came along with us to take to Kodikarai. That's all one thing only. Only we, on our personal interest, we went.
So only seeking any help from the international community is the only way forward, you think?
Yeah, ma'am. It is that it should come today or tomorrow. Then there is no use of coming in. They have, because from 8th morning itself we will not get any signals, as they say, because we are not aware of that much of things. As they say, only 1 month we'll have signals or all those things from the flight. It has happened on 8th June. It's going to nearly, we're going to reaching 8th July.